Intro music, upbeat and catchy, with the Roam Tips logo. Visual, Roam Tips logo appears with the title, How to Turn on Low Data Mode on iPhone Easy Guide. Host *, hey everyone, and welcome back to RoamTips.com. I'm your name, and today we're tackling something super useful for anyone trying to stretch their data plan, how to turn on low data mode on your iPhone. Visual, iPhone screen recording showing the Settings app icon. Host * if you're hitting your data limits every month, or just want to be more mindful of your data usage while traveling, this simple trick can make a huge difference. We'll walk you through it step by step, so even if you're a complete beginner, you'll be able to do it in seconds. Visual, inside Settings app. Host * before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you want more tips and tricks for making the most of your tech, be sure to subscribe to the Roam Tips channel. We put out new videos every week. Visual, user scrolling down the Settings menu. Host * OK, let's get started. First things first, you need to open your iPhone Settings app. It's that gray gear icon on your home screen. Tap on it. Visual, user tapping on cellular or mobile data option. Host * once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see either cellular or mobile data, depending on your region. Go ahead and tap that. Visual, the cellular/mobile data menu. This may show available cellular plans. ***. Host * alright, now you're in the cellular/mobile data menu. Here you'll probably see some options related to your cellular plan, like which apps are using the most data. Visual, user tapping on cellular data options or mobile data options. Host * next, look for cellular data options or mobile data options. The wording might be slightly different depending on your iOS version, but it's usually right near the top. Tap on that. Visual, the cellular data options / mobile data options screen. The low data mode toggle is visible. ***. Host * and here it is. You should see a toggle switch labeled low data mode. Simply tap that switch to turn it on. It'll usually turn green when it's active. Visual, close up on the low data mode toggle being switched on. Host * and that's it. You've successfully enabled low data mode. Your iPhone will now automatically reduce its data usage in the background. This means things like automatic downloads and background app refresh will be limited. Visual, quick recap of the steps on screen with text overlay ***. Open Settings. * tap cellular/mobile data. * tap cellular/mobile data options. * toggle low data mode on. Host * keep in mind that while low data mode helps conserve data, it might impact the performance of some apps or services. For example, you might notice slightly lower video quality when streaming, but it's usually a worthwhile trade-off if you're trying to avoid overage charges. Visual, host appearing on camera. Host * so there you have it, a quick and easy way to turn on low data mode on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. Visual, end screen with call to action buttons. Subscribe, watch another video, website link. Host * don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. And be sure to check out our website, RoamTips.com, for even more helpful guides and resources. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
***, outro musique, similar to intro musique, ***.